Hello and welcome to Dark CSS 2-minute project series. Today we are going to build a simple but logical live background color changer. This small project generates a random color, applies it to the entire background of the page in real time, shows generated color code, and even lets you copy that code with single click. Let's first look at the structure in HTML. We have a basic layout. We have a main div, inside it heading, a text element to show the color code along with the copy button and button to trigger changing color functionality. In CSS, we selected body and used flexbox to center the content on the screen both vertically and horizontally. The control class has a white background, rounded corners, and a slight box shadow for modern look. We have used display flags to center color code text and copy button and style color code and copy button to match our design. At last, the button has full width and style with transition and hover effect. Now let's understand the logic behind changing the color step by step. We have selected color code, copy button, and color changing using getElementById. We created a function to generate random color code using math.random function that gives us random number between 0 to 1, sometimes in decimal. To generate a full range of code, we multiply it with this number to generate hex color code. After generating the random number, we round off these values. Then we convert this number into hexadecimal using two string with value 16 that gives us a string code. Sometimes the string may be less than 6 characters. So we use paired start with value 6 and 0 as a string. This adds leading zeros if needed. Now let's use that code to update the body's background color, the color code text, and button background color to match our current code. When copy button is clicked, we use navigator.clipboard.write text to copy the current color code. After copying, the button temporarily changes its label to say copied for feedback. That's it. We successfully generated a live random background color changer in just 2 minutes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Dark CSS. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks.